Welcome to my channel. Looking for ultra-rich hydration that actually repairs your skin barrier? Meet Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream. Dermatologist tested, clean, and free from essential oils, silicones, and fragrance. This moisturizer nourishes, strengthens, and restores your skin. Perfect for healthy, glowing skin every day. Let's see why it's a must-have in your skincare routine. Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream. Experience the ultimate in hydration and skin barrier support with Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream. This buttery, ultra-rich lipid cream is designed to help restore and support even the driest, most fragile skin. Infused with a powerful, barrier-replenishing blend of ceramides, lipids, natural minerals, and antioxidants, Bora Barrier Repair Cream ensures your skin stays nourished, resilient, and radiant. Perfect for sensitive or compromised skin, this dermatologist-tested, cruelty-free formula is free of essential oils, silicones, and fragrance, making it an ideal choice for those seeking clean, clinical skincare solutions. Benefits: restore and strengthen your skin barrier. The rich combination of ceramides and lipids works to restore a healthy skin barrier, locking in moisture and protecting against environmental stressors. Regular use helps your skin feel stronger, more resilient, and fully hydrated throughout the day. Soothe and calm skin. Drunk Elephant's carefully selected ingredients help calm irritation and reduce visible redness. The cream delivers intensive nourishment that soothes fragile or sensitive areas, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and comfortable. Target signs of aging. With its blend of natural antioxidants, Bora Barrier Repair Cream helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Daily use promotes a more youthful, even-toned complexion, giving your skin a visibly healthier, revitalized appearance. Ultra-rich, but lightweight. Despite its luxurious texture, this moisturizer absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy or heavy residue. It's perfect for layering over serums, treatments, or other creams, and can even be mixed for a customized skincare experience. Clean, clinical skincare you can trust. Drunk Elephant is committed to formulating products that are safe, effective, and free from potentially irritating ingredients. Bora Barrier Repair Cream is free of essential oils, silicones, and fragrance, making it suitable for all skin types, including the most sensitive. This clean, clinical approach ensures you can trust every application to nurture your skin while respecting its natural balance. Suggested use: for best results, apply 1 pump morning and night to a clean, dry face. Use daily or in rotation with other Drunk Elephant moisturizers. This cream can also be combined with your favorite serums, treatments, or other creams to enhance hydration and support your unique skincare routine. Why choose Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream? Ultra-rich hydration for dry, fragile, or sensitive skin. Restores the skin barrier and supports overall skin health. Reduces visible lines, wrinkles, and redness for a youthful, smooth appearance. Clean, dermatologist-tested, and cruelty-free, free from essential oils, silicones, and fragrance. Versatile formulation that pairs well with serums, treatments, and other creams for personalized skincare. Whether your goal is to calm sensitive skin, boost hydration, or reduce the appearance of aging, Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream delivers professional-grade results in the comfort of your home. Its rich, luxurious texture, combined with a scientifically supported formula, makes it a must-have in any modern skincare routine. Treat your skin to the care it deserves and enjoy the benefits of a stronger, smoother, and healthier complexion every day. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.